Hello, it's Jam Games here once again, and today we're going to fix that thing that when we are stepping, we are spawning a bullet hole. We're gonna remove that and also add some sound effects. So yeah, let's get started first. Uh, you want to go to the link in the description, download these two files, headshot WoW and hitmarker WoW files, and then you want to go to the effects folder and let's create a new folder here. That should be called sounds or something like that. Let's open that and let's import those files. Now let's open the headshot file, and I think let's try. I think I want this pitch to be 1.5. Okay, so 1.5, good. Now the hit marker, I think this was 1.5 for me also. So okay, you can adjust those however you want. Yep. Now we want to go to the PP first person character, and we actually want to go to the let's actually go to the step trace, and I'm gonna set this draw debug type to none, so it doesn't spawn the sphere anymore. Okay, now we can close that and also that. And now let's go to shoot hit get material or actor. So this one. First thing, I'm gonna remove this and promote it to a local variable, just so it's a little bit cleaner. Now from here, let's promote to a local variable, like that. And then I will move this here because I don't like that they cross each other. Okay, and now we want to rename that to knife. Oh, knife and maybe space. Okay, now it works. Compile and save. And the next thing I want to do, I actually want to go here and I want to get this knife and connect it back to there, like that. And now this headshot, we want to promote this to a local variable also. Promote to local variable and connect it to here, like that, and there. Now let's call that headshot. Okay. And the next thing we want to do, we actually want to go to here. Here, where is the, if we are not hitting the PP enemy mine, we are hitting the, like, some component, like wall or something like that. If we're shooting with gun, we're gonna spawn the bullet hole. But if we're not, we want to move this further away, like this. Let's add a branch to here and connect this through to the spawn emitter at location. And we can actually remove that from the cast failed to here. So from there to here. Now the rule should be, if we not headshot, if we're knifing, get knifing and not boolean. So basically when we are shooting with weapon. So when we are shooting with weapon, we're gonna do this. And when we are knifing, so from defaults, we just wanna spawn sound attached like this. Okay. And now let's actually get this hit result and split it. And we want to get this hit component, this one, and attach the component like that. We don't need to add anything else. And the sound we want to play is knife impact surface Q. This one, knife impact surface Q. Okay. And I think this we want to change to snap target keep world scale. This one. And everything else, I think, okay, here we want to add the weapon shot underscore at that thing. I think that's all. Yep. Now we can actually try if it works. It should work. So when we are stopping the air, we're just gonna hear this. But when we're stopping the wall, and yeah, okay. And I think we also want to add some effects to there, but let's add these other sounds first. So yeah, now when we have done that, let's go here to the top. So here, after all this, we want to add a branch to here. And what we want to check is, we want to check if we are knifing once again, or stabbing. So get knifing, and also let's get the not boolean. So when we are not knifing, so we are shooting, then we want to play sound 2D like that. Okay. And we want to get from the sound, get a select, get it here, and get the headshot. So it will play different sound when we are headshotting. So when we headshot, we want to play that headshot that we added, and when we are not, we want to play the hit marker sound like that. And is a UA sound, this should be true. And from the false, we just want to play sound attached like that. Okay. And the sound, what we want to play, should be the knife impact body cue, this one. Okay. And now we want to get our weapon mesh and connect it to the attached component and compile and save. I think everything else here, actually we want to change to here, weapon shot at that one. I think everything, oh, this one also. Not the target, keep world scale, that one. Compile and save. So now we're stepping air, like that, the wall. Yeah, and the zombie. And here. So yeah, let's try once more. So air, wall, and zombie. Okay. I think that sounds okay. Now we would want to add some like some emitter spawn when we're on the wall. I don't know if we have any that like good for this, but we can try with the same as the gun. I don't know if that's good, but let's try. So let's go back there and to the here. So when we're knifing, after this we want to actually get this spawn emitter at location. And we want to actually, I think we want to copy all this, or actually not, let's copy just these two and move them to here and connect it to there. And now we want to get the location, which should be the impact point and the normal there. Impact point should go to the location, and we want to add some reroutes to here. This, and maybe like this, I don't know. And which one was it? Normal should be going to here. So the normal here, and let's also add some reroutes there, like that. Okay, that looks weird. Let's just actually let's do it like this. Okay, now it looks better. And anything else? No, I think that's all. Let's check if we have some like. I think we don't have any like. Let's test these sparks maybe. Check how it looks. Okay, that's not good. Okay, I think it didn't work yet. It was. Okay, that's not good. That's weird. Let's just change that back to the. Which one did we have here? impact stone. P underscore impact stone, like maybe that large. And you can, of course, use whatever you want, but I don't have any of those yet, so let's just do that. So it looks you're doing something, you know? Okay, it's not the best, but let's fix it later. Now we have some emitter spawning warrior knife. I think I will create a better one, and yeah. But that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to follow this series. And yeah, in the next one we are going to start with the round system. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.